Aam Aadmi Party now playing the riot card. A report by the AAP has claimed Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar's rally is responsible for the recent riots in Ballabgarh last month.
Joining me from the Aam Aadmi Party, Ashutosh sir, the statement that has been released from the party with regard to the clashes in Ballabgarh, again, the blame is on the BJP, and you've also said that Haryana Chief Minister Khattar's rally incited the mob. On what basis has the party possibly reached such a conclusion, specifically when you also were a part of the delegation?
See, the Aam Aadmi Party has sent two teams over there, one led by Naresh Balyan, who is in charge of Haryana, and Naresh Balyan was there, Amanatullah was there, Firoz was there, and then Abhas Chandela. These are the four-member team has gone over there, and they had interacted with the people over there, interacted with the administration, came back, they submitted their partial report. Then I, Sanjay Singh, Amanatullah and Abhas Chandela again went over there, met administration over there, and you go and talk to anybody. Everybody knows that who are the perpetrators and who had done this and who have been provoking, because everything was cordial and everything was peaceful, and suddenly everything erupted. And now people are very strongly believe that who are these people, and there are more than 24 FIR has been registered in name, and only 2 were arrested, and they were also let loose.
But sir, again, how is one political party blaming the other based on just perhaps a rally that was conducted, sir? You
go to that area, you had probably had not gone to that area, and probably others who had not gone to an area, they can say sitting over there.
You definitely had a team there.
No, I tell you exactly. You go over there, and everybody's talking about it. That Haryana, which has never seen communal riots of any kind since in independence, suddenly erupts into this, and that too when a legitimate legal order was passed by the local court. So a lot of things are happening over there, and even administration was under tremendous pressure. Even the police administration was under tremendous pressure, and they somehow wanted that these people who were taking shelter in the police station, they should go back over there.
So you also said that the police never took calls and not really did not take cognizance of the matter. But again, the fact is that many of the victims are currently residing in the police stations, which means they're as of now in that care and authority of police. So then how are you blaming the Delhi police?
See, first of all, this establishes the fact that more than 200 people had to leave that particular place and had to reside and get shelter into the police thana. Itself speaks a volume about the fact that the law and order situation is completely broken down and people have lost trust into the administration. And even in the police station, when we had talked to many people, they said they are under tremendous pressure. Police is saying that please go back, please go back, please go back. And they were almost forced over there. So we said, if you want to go, please go. We don't want to create any problem over here, but the fact is those who perpetrated this violence should be immediately arrested, and people who are going back, they should be provided security, and the peace should not be disturbed. They should be rehabilitated, and the equal compensation should be given to them to get back to their life.
So the Aam Aadmi Party clearly asking the state government to provide relief and provide justice as well. That is a fair demand, but could this also be a wild card by the Aam Aadmi Party to perhaps gain entry into not even one community, but perhaps the state?
No. We are not into the politics at all. We had not. We had said, whosoever is responsible for the violence, please take action against them. Unless you take strong measures, unless you put those people who are responsible to whatever cause, to whatever religion they belong, it's immaterial. But anybody who's indulging into the communal violence should be taken to the task, should be dealt harshly according to the law, and they should be put behind the bar. Unless you do that, unless you divide communal riots in the name of belonging to this religion, this caste and that caste, that will not lead anywhere.